Fever grass, also known as lemongrass, is a plant grown worldwide, with Cameroon being one of them. This plant can be referred to as a household plant, let's say a common plant. Just as other plants such as Senna alata, miracle leaf or leaf of life, fever grass is one of those plants that you can easily find around. In Cameroon, this grass is called fever grass. This is because according to traditional medicine, this is a plant which helps relieve fever. However, I am not a doctor. Quick disclaimer, please consult your doctor before consuming fever grass or lemongrass. In this video, I'll be showing you how to dry fever grass for exportation. I'll equally be examining some of the benefits of fever grass. Also, in as much as this plant is helpful, according to general knowledge, it equally has some side effects which are alarming, and we will examine that at the end of the video. Please consult your doctor before consuming this. Now, this is referred to as lemongrass due to its citrus smell. Most times, people liken the smell of this plant to that of lemon. Now, when it comes to drying fever grass for exportation, you're going to cut your desired quantity, wash properly, and then proceed to spread on a mat. You will not be sun drying, meaning it should not have direct contact with the sun. You're going to air dry. This is so that you do not lose most of the nutrients in the plant. So if your sun is too hot, then proceed to do this where there's a shade. Do not keep it too in an airtight space so it does not get bad. A detailed video will come up with regards to this. When you air dry, the color of your plant remains intact. However, when you sun dry, in most cases, it turns to look darker, especially if your plant is bright. After air drying or wind drying, you can put in a Ziploc bag. If you want to store at home, then just wrap your leaves and put in the fridge, not freezer. That is for rainy days. Equally, to examine some tips when it comes to preserving your lemongrass plant, you should know that when it starts to get dry like this and is all packed in one space, you have to transplant it. It is too packed in this area, so you're going to get rid of the dried grass and then you're going to transplant it to other areas. Sometimes this is as a result of neglect. Now, excess rain tends to harm lemongrass plant. As a matter of fact, if not properly preserved, during the rainy season, this plant goes into extinction. It doesn't like excess water. Also, this plant is often paired with other plants such as broadleaf, and this is served as tea in the morning. This plant is said to be rich in minerals and vitamins such as A and C, making it nutrient dense. It is equally said to it is said that this plant contains low calories, thereby aiding in weight management. Like I earlier mentioned, please consult your doctor. To some people, this tea is less costly because it grows in their homes at the comfort of their homes. Other times, this tea is paired with milk and sugar. This is so that it is not plain. Growing up, I had this tea every day. It has a unique smell. Now, some people are allergic to this plant in general. Well, my younger sister used to complain as a child that whenever she touched this plant or had the tea, she suffered from some allergic reaction. She said her body would start itching. At first, my father thought it was an excuse not to have this tea at all. But with time, we got to see the reaction on her body. Now, it has some sharp edge, and if you enter a fever grass bush, you will live with an itchy skin. This is because of how rough the edges are. This can be likened to the sugarcane bush. So do well to consult your doctor before having this tea. It can be sweetened with honey. Aside having it as tea, it can be added as flavor to food, some of which includes adding it to a pot of pap, using it to steam beef, pork, and others. This plant's fragrance does not only end in the pot, it is equally exhibited in the open. Most people now sell household fragrances that contains lemongrass essence. To add, they equally have repellents which contains lemongrass extract. Also, oil is made using lemongrass. I'll link the video in the description box. Please do well to watch it. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.